Hello, boss. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a product, small excavators suitable for home gardens. Norman NM18 Pro Mini Excavator, export grade mini excavator. Performance at its peak. The price is very reasonable, easy to use, flexible and durable. Endorsed by bosses worldwide. Total weight 1,300 kg, stable and reliable. Maximum digging height 3.08 meters. Maximum digging depth 2.1 meters. Maximum digging radius 3.4 meters. It also allows for the interchange of various accessories. One device, multiple uses, equipped as standard with the Lidong LD385 engine. Boasts a powerful 39 horsepower. Depending on requirements, optional engines such as the Lidong LD380, Kubota 722, 902, and others are also available. Smooth performance and low fuel consumption. Agile handling without taking up much space. We maintain overseas warehouses in Europe and North America, allowing for delivery in as little as 7 days.